guys, welcome back to Tiny Boy DIY. On this video, I wanted to go over the tools that people ask me what they want to get to start with in woodworking or DIY. So I laid out a couple tools here. Christmas time is upon us. I'll give you a couple deals on some of these tools that are going on right now if you're interested in getting it for somebody. I think the number one tool, if you want to cut stuff, build cabinets, stuff like that, you're going to want to get a table saw. I personally have the Ridgid contractor saw, which folds up. If you want, I can show you. It has a little step thing here, and you just lift it up, and that way you can actually, it's portable. You can wheel it around. It's on wheels. It's a real nice setup. I really like it. I went between this and a regular table saw, with the stand and everything, and the actual placed one. But this one's nice. It's adjustable. You can slide it out. It goes different sizes. Comes with the fence system. The fence system's really nice. This saw is $500 at Home Depot, but as of a couple days ago, I saw it was on sale for $299. So it's $200 off right now for Black Friday, which is a screaming deal for this right now, because this is one of the better saws in my mind. I can get this up from the basement to the garage, no problem, with the wheels, just rolling it around. So that's a great addition. The miter saw would be the second needed item in your wood shop. There's a lot of them on the market. DeWalt's obviously one of the best brands that everybody uses. This happens to be just a Harbor Freight. It works great. It's a 10-inch one. You get a 10-inch, 12-inch. There's the regular ones that just go straight up and down, which are more like a chop saw. And then there's the sliding compound miter, which does angles and also slides out so you can cut wider pieces of wood. I think this one cuts up to about 8 inches wide. If you do a 12-inch blade, I think you can get almost 12 inches wide on a sliding one. DeWalt's actually on sale right now. They have a real nice saw. It's only $350 right now. But with these, you want to go a better quality, an in-between saw. I'm actually going to upgrade mine when I get the wood shop going over here. I want to get a new 12-inch one to cut bigger pieces. I'm going to actually make a miter saw table. It'll be one of the projects coming up when I do the wood shop in there. So the nice thing you want to get one that either comes with a stand, or you might want to think about getting a stand, just for ease, because when you're working on these, it's easier if you can stand up and do it. Before I had the stand, I would have to put this on the ground and work off the ground, and it gets kind of tedious. Plus the stand also has these extendable arms that'll help you with longer pieces of wood to hold it and everything like that. So that's definitely a nice piece. I'll link some of them in the description. There's a couple of them on sale right now. I'm going between either the DeWalt one or Harbor Freight just came out with a new Hercules one I'm thinking about trying out. So we'll see. I'll let you know what I come up with this. A circular saw, or a handheld circular saw. Great for doing straight cuts on sheet goods and stuff like that if you don't have enough room to work with it. You can buy straight edge systems for these. These are relatively cheap, anywhere from I think $50 to $100. You can get one of these. You can cut almost anything with it. You can cut 2x4s lengthwise. You can do the same stuff as a miter saw. The miter saw just gets an easier, straighter cut. You don't have to do a straight edge like you would with these. The other saw I have here is the Jigsaw, another great tool that'll cut. When you want to cut holes, or if you want to cut out for an outlet or something like that. That does a great job on those. Another relatively cheap item. I think these are like $40. I'll link one or two of them in the description. Really, I have a Black & Decker one, so it really doesn't matter what brand. They all do the same thing. Sawzalls. There's the corded version, which I have a Milwaukee one. I think it runs about $100. And then there's the cordless Ridgid that I added to my kit, obviously. These do use a lot of battery, so if you're going to use a cordless one, just know it's going to burn through batteries pretty good. That's why I ended up buying the corded one. Number one, it's got more torque, and number two, it doesn't burn through the batteries. It's better for cutting into it. But if you need portability, obviously you do that. And then obviously you got your drill and driver kit, charger. All of these kits, I'll link them. They're all on sale right now, and they're going, I forgot what the price is, but they're giving away like either a free battery or free extra tool depending on what size kit you buy. I'll link them from Home Depot though. There's a bunch of them for sale. Then you have all the bit kits. I'll link a couple of these. There's some good deals going on these right now, but this is obviously a smaller kit, but they have a really good deal on some bigger kits right now. which will be great to go with your drill and driver and and stuffing stacker. Then you have your other. This is a Forstner bit, so it's actually for drilling holes through wood and everything like that. That's another nice bit kit for anybody who's going to be doing woodworking where they need holes done. Or you could go with the speed bore kit, which is a similar item. This actually drills cleaner holes. This is more of a speed hole if you're going to do a lot of small holes or something like that. But those are all the bit kits. You definitely want to get some kind of a bit kit if you're going to get a drill driver kit, because you're going to end up using all different kinds of bits when you're doing woodworking or any DIY stuff around the house where you're going to need a drill. Like we're going to do those curtain rods and stuff. You're going to need drill bits to do that. So you're going to want some kind of drill bits, hole drills, hole saws, that kind of thing. That stuff you're going to need. What's going to happen? I'll link a bunch of stuff in the description. If you can support the channel, if you're going to do any shopping online, use one of the links, one of the Amazon links or the Home Depot links to buy whatever you're going to buy. The Home Depot, all you got to do is buy it online and pick it up in store or have it shipped to your house. And the Amazon links, obviously it's all going to get shipped to your house, but if you're doing Christmas shopping and you want to support the channel, I would appreciate it if you would click on one of the Amazon links to buy your stuff, and then I'll get some credit for it, and that way we can keep this channel going. Alright, I'd much appreciate it. If there's anything else you want to know about, obviously I didn't cover everything, but this is the basics of power tools. I mean, there's routers, there's nail guns, that kind of thing, air tools that you're going to end up using. But this is just the basic corded and cordless options, and the stuff like the table saw and the miter saw that are great to have if you can, And like I said, with somebody who doesn't have space, like I'm trying to get this woodshop going, but I don't have space, so these portable ones are great. You can take these apart, they fold right up, you can put them away, keep them in the corner. I actually keep this folded up in the garage almost the whole season because I don't have a woodshop yet. So that's it. Subscribe. The website's up, TommyBoyDIY.com. You can go there. There'll be links there to this stuff too, and I'll put all kinds of links in for the best deals right now. There's a lot of good deals right now online. I was looking at all of them the other day. So I'll put all kinds of links in there if you guys could go there and purchase something if you're going to buy a stocking stuffer or something for somebody for Christmas. Help yourself. Click on the link, support the channel. Any questions, email me. There's a chat on the website. If you want to go to the website and punch in a question, it goes right to my email. And I'll get back to you on that. If you have any other questions, I do have a mic on order, so I'll have a better mic soon. I know there's been a lot of complaints about my voice not being loud enough, and it's tough when the camera's 6 feet away from me trying to get my voice a little louder. So I'll see what I can do. The new camera or the new microphone will be in, and we'll get this going. But subscribe to the channel, use the links, get some Christmas gifts for people, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.